Hi friends, yesterday we learned about the meaning of debtor and creditor. Today will learn about asset and liability meaning. So asset and liability. So what do you mean by asset for your business? See, asset is very simple, you can understand. See, everybody likes mazza juice, right? So whatever this mazza juice, for producing this mazza juice, we can use this plant and machinery. So we are putting all these mangoes and we are producing this mazza juice. So for this mazza juice to get ready, we are using the help of plant and machinery, right? So one machine is that this plant and machinery we called as an asset, that it will give future economic benefits, that we can say with the help of this machinery only we are producing mazza juice and we are selling this mazza juice, right? It's called as benefit. It's giving benefit for us, so this we called as an asset which gives some future economic benefits. So by using that plant and machinery we can generate some income, that we call an asset. See, here producing mazza juice, we are selling to so many customers and we are generating income, that's we called as economic benefits. So asset is which will give future economic benefits, and it should not ready to sell in the ordinary course of business. So we are not selling this plant and machinery to customers, we are just selling this mazza juice, whatever is there mazza juice we are selling. This mazza juice is called goods, and this is the item whatever we are making ready for this is using with the help of plant and machinery. So some of the assets like plant and machinery, land, furnitures, etc. So many of these, with the help of these we can generate income. So we call this as an asset. Okay. On the other hand, liability. So what do you mean by liabilities? So I told you startly, whenever you want to start business, you will introduce some money. I told you one example in the beginning accounting basics class. So okay, some ex-guy started a business with 1 lakh. So he thought that okay, I need some more money. Okay, see, I will tell you with the example. In that class, what I told you, here a guy is there, he started 1 lakh rupees he started a business with the 1 lakh rupees. So he wants to expand his shop more, so but he don't have funds. So what he did, he approached immediately a bank and has taken loan, and he introduced all this money into his business. Okay, see, whenever he is taking money he is very happy, but he should have to repay them, right? This is what, whenever there is, should have to repay liabilities. So loans or liabilities, like there is a long term liabilities, whenever there is more than 12 months of time period we can say it is a long term. Okay, some of them short term liabilities like creditors. See, in earlier example I told you, he bought all the goods from wholesale shop but he didn't pay immediately money. Okay, he becomes what, that wholesale shop becomes creditor for our shop. So like all these are the short term, like creditors, bills, payables, that you can understand very easily when we are going through the next videos. So there are asset and liability, that you can understand clearly. The asset which will give future economic benefits, with the help of these we can generate income. These liabilities, or we should have to repay them at a particular point of time. This is an obligation for an entity. This is what we called as liability. For example, in our lively life we can say we are the students, whatever the books we have, whatever the knowledge we are acquiring, all these are assets, and this will helps to you, this knowledge will helps to you further. You will get very nice job and you will earn so much nice income. This is what we can say as future economic benefits. Simply it is an asset which is giving future economic benefits, is called assets. Whenever there is an obligation to repay the monies, here our proprietor, I told you now, proprietor or owner, he taken money from the bank and he has an obligation to repay again the bank. See, here this guy taken 1 lakh rupees from this bank and again he should have to repay this 1 lakh rupees of loan at a certain period of time, at least say for example 2 years, after 3 years, at least he should have to repay, right? There is an obligation to repay, right? This is called an liability. As this student, what is your obligation? You should have to study very well and you should have to secure good marks, right? This is what your obligation, right? Thank you.